What up guys, this is Adam and I've got another airplane drawing for you. Today we've got an Air Canada Airbus A330. Now I want to talk to you guys about this one person in particular. His name is Nacho FSX, as I believe. He's definitely the most insane drawer I've ever seen of airplanes. If you guys think these are good, when you look on his channel, you'll be just completely shocked. Okay, well, yeah, here's like just a look. There's the Air Canada wing. Yeah, I got these coloring pencils, and now I realize that if you don't color it, there's more detail in it. So yeah, there it is, and yeah, I just want to tell you guys again, he has the most insane drawings I think I've ever seen. Check out his thing. He wants more subscribers, I believe, and so do I. But yeah, there's more videos that are soon to be coming. And yeah, remember just to tell me your recommendations. And yeah, I want at least 100 views on this by the end of the month. Okay, so yeah, recommend this to your friends and stuff because I would really appreciate it. And please subscribe again. Okay, bye.